How to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Snapchat. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Snapchat and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now tap on the message tab at the bottom part of your screen. Now tap on the new tab next to unread. Now select the chat or group. Now tap on create shortcut. Now tap on OK. Now click on choose emoji. Now enter your emoji. Now go back and tap on create shortcut. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.